In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning hundreds of dollars from TikTok without showing your face. TikTok has quickly become one of the most used social media websites in the world, and you're going to learn exactly how you can start earning a lot from it. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can start earning money from TikTok quickly without showing your face. Now keep in mind, you do have to be 18 years old, and you do need 10,000 followers and a total of 10,000 video views within 30 days. But I'm going to show you exactly how to build an account, grow it quickly, and start earning up to $100 a week or even more from TikTok, right? So before we get into that, we must take a look at some of the top profiles that take advantage of this opportunity. Okay, so we need to first take a look at some of the most popular websites that take advantage of this, and one of those niches is the motivational side of TikTok. So if we type in motivation here, it pops up, and we have one page, right? And this page is pretty popular, but if we actually type in the full word motivation here, we'll see there's a lot of pages that take advantage of the inspirational side of TikTok, right? There's enough, can't have too many inspiration going around. So we could take a look at all of these different accounts here, but one of the most important ones I want you guys to take a look at here is this one with only 94,000 followers, right? These all have more, but this one is the most special one, and I'm going to show you why. So this one right here, if we take a look at it, this page has thousands of views per post, right? And guess what? None of these videos belong to this account. All they're doing is reposting famous bodybuilders, right? They're reposting famous bodybuilders, and they're getting content for this, and they're getting paid for this as well, right? They have a high engagement per post, right? 5,000 likes. You have some comments as well. People are engaging with the post, and guess what? They're earning a lot of money. You want to know how much money they're earning? If we copy their name and go to the money calculator right here, paste it in. So on average, each post can earn them up to $50 to $100 per post, right? With an 8.12% engagement rate, meaning the more engagement they have, the more likely you get paid on TikTok, right? It's not enough to just get a lot of views on TikTok, because people can purchase that kind of content. What you can do though to get a lot of more money on TikTok is the engagement rate. People commenting, sharing, and liking. That's how TikTok pays its influencers. Okay, so this is very important. Now keep in mind, TikTok plans on increasing its payment funds towards its creators in the next 2 to 3 years. So this can easily scale up to maybe 100 to 150 per post. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step of exactly what you need to do. As you see here, I'm on a test account. Go to view profile. I'm on a test account. This test account is motivational test account, right? And I'm gonna show you step by step exactly how to create your page and grow it quickly so you can qualify for the creator funds and start earning hundreds of dollars a week from TikTok. Now, before going further, before you make your account, keep in mind TikTok only allows you to have one active phone number per account. So a quick trick you can do is actually sign up for a Google Voice number and use that to create your new account, okay? Because I made the mistake of having a personal account with that phone number, and when I tried to make my new account, I was no longer able to message people because I signed up with email. You have to have an active number to be able to DM people back and forth, right? So if you're already using one account with your number, you can make a Google Voice and you can sign up with that. So if people ask you questions or DM you, you can respond to them. So Google Voice is a great way to get a secondary number, and Google Voice is completely free, guys. Okay, so at this point, you should have a new account with a number attached to it. You should have your name and everything and the niche you want to do. Keep in mind, you can do motivation, or you can choose other niches as well. This works with just about any niche, like keto dieting is another good example, right? But now we're focusing on, for the example of this video, we're going to do motivation, right? So next step is to get your content. So go into Google and type in royalty-free videos. You'll have up to 3 websites to pick from, even more, but these 3 are the best ones I've learned. Pexels is really good. This one right here and Pixabay are all 3 really good royalty-free websites, right? So I'll go on Pexels, for example, and what you'll do is type in motivation. You can type in working out, motivation, whatever your niche is. So right here, as you can see, I already had it in my recent searches. So you can literally look at different videos. These are all free, guys. Every single one of these is completely free. You can do working out. All right, let's say we're doing specifically working out. We can pick from all these videos right here, any one of these. So this girl right here, what is she doing? She's squatting, right? She's doing her squat. I like this video because if you look at the layout of this video, it's already in phone formatting. Wow, tongue twister there. It's in phone formatting, right? These videos are kind of more rectangular, right? It has more of the long rectangular look. This is the up and down rectangular look, so it'll fit your phone a lot better, but it doesn't matter. You could honestly select any one of these videos. So she's squatting, right? We'll take that for example. And then after that, the last thing we need is a nice little profile picture. So all we will do is go to Canva, completely free website here, and you can get nice profile pics. So what I like to do is I like to go and just simply type in profile picture or logo. Maybe logo would be better. Yeah, probably type in logo. Just type in logo, and you'll have all these logos to pick from. I believe if you just click on one of them, yeah, you could just click on any one of them and then it'll give you the whole genre to select from. So let's say workout. Okay, so that says that one. Let's say gym. Okay, boom, gym. Right? So now we have a bunch of these to pick from. If we take a look at my profile, what's my profile again? My profile username is motivational test account. Okay, so we'll go back to this one and let's just say we're using this one, right? All we have to do is just change the name to what our name is. We're gonna go like this. Has a little dumbbell in there, so it's nice. Let's change the font down to like maybe 64 and center it, and then instead of Los Angeles we say, where I'm from Connecticut, but we'll just say New York, wherever you're from, whatever you want to do. This part is not that important, but hey, we got a nice simplistic logo for free. We hit download here. Oops, I just hit my box. Hit download here. Download. It's gonna prepare a download, and just ignore that. So we have our logo right there. So now we go back to the account. We can view profile. Oh, we're already on there. Change your bio picture, right? You change that. It's a little bit weird on the computer, but you would change that. And then when we're ready, let's hit upload. And this new video we downloaded, we just slide up here and then we give it a caption. Now let's go back onto TikTok here. Type in the motivational. So it's all about just seeing what's trending and what's popular and what works. So this video has 39,000 views. Okay, what did they name it? They didn't name it anything. They just gave a bunch of hashtags, right? So we could just do the same thing. We'd caption it hashtag fitness, right? It's 55 billion views in fitness. Hashtag motivation. All right, motivation is 41 billion, you know, and etc, etc, right? It's public, people can do it, stitch, whatever. On the phone version of TikTok, obviously you can edit this to have text and pick trendy sounds, but on computer version it's a little weird. But most of you guys, I'm assuming, will be doing the computer version of this. So then you just hit post, and you do that 2 to 3 times a day with trendy sounds, the right hashtags and captions. You'll grow quicker than you ever could imagine. All right, guys, so that concludes this tutorial. I hope you understand a little bit better now exactly on how to make more money each week on TikTok and grow your page quickly without showing your face. Remember, you just want to pick a popular niche and upload daily. All right, every single day, 2 to 3 times a day, and be consistent. You're not going to see growth right away, but consistency improves your chances of becoming successful a lot sooner. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll be sure to answer them. And if not, you can always email me right here. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care.